Google Sheets can be a great place to house meeting notes where you will want to conduct data analysis and data comparison among team members. So here we have a sample template for IPLC meeting notes. And you'll notice, based on many of the questions here, that the idea of this meeting is to identify a common formative assessment for the purposes of reaching a common objective or learning intention. Once teachers have followed through with the instruction and with the common formative assessment, they then have a space to enter their data. So notice here we have two teachers participating in this team, teacher A and teacher B, and they have a table they can fill in. For each period, they will fill in the percent of students who have mastered the standard, how many are approaching mastery, and how many have not yet mastered the standard. The Google Sheet is made so that they will automatically get an overall percentage of their students and a graph showing how their students are doing. So let's go ahead and fill in some other numbers here. And we'll fill something in for teacher B as well. And so by using Google Sheets, we can not only record our assessment notes, save room for reflection and planning for the future, but we can also really visualize our common formative assessment data. To create this, there are just a couple quick tips. Now, if we do view and grid lines, you'll see that these are just cells within the spreadsheet. To get these extra long cells, you can highlight lots of smaller cells, go to Format, and Merge Cells. That way we can get one long cell instead of a bunch of small ones to better fit what we are typing. To create our table, we're going to simply use some formulas down here. So notice for overall, we have the formula equals average, and then we need to put in our range of data to be averaged. So we have chosen C18 through C24 to average. Again, we have equals average, D18 through D24, equals average, E18 through E24. To create the nice little graph down here, we can simply highlight our table. Notice I did not highlight teacher A. I do not want that as a part of my graph. I go to Insert, Chart, and Google Sheets will make the chart for me automatically. I do have the option to make some changes to that chart. I can change the type of chart that is shown. And then I can also change things like the legend, the colors, etc.